Hello, I'm Nathan from New York Lighting. Let me show you some of our products that are here at the Melbourne Home Show. All our chandeliers are designed by ourselves and very unique. Through here you'll see our Oasis chandeliers. All these chandeliers are really popular for the houses being built in Australia today. The size, the design, everything is suited for what people are building now. This is a princess chandelier, very sparkly, traditional style though. Through here, grand chandeliers for great voids. The Hampton chandelier, the bronze orb, silver plated Hampton chandelier, 24 light. Magnificent prices on these items. 15 light silver orb, some beautiful Americana chandeliers here, full of crystal, really detailed, silver plated. All the Hampton orbs and diamond edges to suit all houses and sizes. We hope to see you here at the Melbourne Home Show. Thank you.